Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the uses of like. If you want to master this topic, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
Then we have using like to express preferences. We use like plus noun, verb in ing form to talk about things we enjoy. For example, I like chocolate. She likes dancing. They like playing soccer. If you see here, when I'm talking about me, I won't add an S to the verb like. But if I'm talking about someone else like she or he, I will add an S to the verb like. She likes dancing, and the verb will end with ing form. Do you remember? And if you don't, I recommend you to watch my video. You will find it in this YouTube channel. Then we have they like playing soccer. Then we have here using like to describe characteristics. We use what is someone something like to ask about personality or appearance. What is your teacher like? She is very kind and funny. If you see here, when someone asks you characteristics about you or your friends or one member of your family to your teacher and so on, you could describe that person with adjectives like kind, funny, smart, and things like that, right? What is your teacher like? She's very kind and funny. Then we have what is Paris like? If you see here, we can also ask characteristics about a country, about a food, and the example says, what is Paris like? Paris is what? A city in another country. And you could simply say it's a beautiful and romantic city. Then we have here what is he like? When we want to describe someone. It could be any person, like a famous person, your parents, your friends, it doesn't matter. And you could describe him like he's handsome, he's talented, he's a good husband, he's a good father, and things like that, right? I am describing what is Justin Bieber like, for example, but it could be any famous person or any person in the world. Then we have here what is Paris like? It's a beautiful and romantic city. It is a big and modern city. Then we have like to express preferences. We use like plus noun or verb in ing form to talk about what we enjoy or dislike. For example, I like ice cream, she likes listening to music, and they don't like waking up early. If you see here, we are expressing something that we dislike. They don't like waking up early. Then we have look like for physical appearance. We use what does someone look like to ask about physical features. For example, what does she looks like? She has long blonde hair and blue eyes. What does your brother looks like? He's tall and has short black hair. Then we have be like for personality and behavior. We use what is someone like for personality traits and behavior. What is your best friend like? She is funny and outgoing. What are your parents like? They are strict but kind. So now guys, it's time to make an activity time. Don't be afraid. I'm 100% sure that you already know the answers. And the activity says fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences with the correct form of like. I like, look like, I'm like chocolate. What your sister like, look like, is like. She's very kind and funny. What your best friend like, look like, is like. She has a long blonde hair and green eyes. He likes, look like, is like playing soccer every weekend. What your hometown like, look like, is like. It's big and modern. So, what do you think, guys, that is the appropriate word to fill these spaces in the sentences? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments, and I'll be reading those comments. So, thank you, guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. And don't forget to write down below in the comments your answers.